Hello guys, we have iPhone XR today to repair, and the problem with this iPhone is um, when you plug in the charger, it will show an icon that it's charging, and then suddenly phone will turn on, and it's not drawing 1 ampere, close to 1 ampere of voltage to charge the phone. So and then it doesn't charge and maybe just stuck at 1%. This phone been to repair, I think, before. So I will show you here. That's the amp meter. I think you can see. Let's turn this off. Okay, yeah. And see what happened. Did I? Yeah, see. So did I? Oh, yeah, sorry. The battery is not connected, so I will try again. Okay. How to put battery connectors. Anyways, okay, let's see again. Okay, the battery is connected, and as you can see, we are jumping from 0.76 amps here, and then it turns on 0.6 to 0.37, and then drop down to 0.25 amps. So this is not normal. So and see, it turns on by itself. So in this situation, what I have to look is U3300, and then USB IC as well. So let's have a look. I will remove the board, and okay. As I told you before, this being to, it was initially the customer told us it was liquid damage, was fixed, worked for 1 month, and then died again. So what I have done already on this one is this is a pretty strong metal plate they have got on XR. So I usually use a cutter to cut the plate and then pull it up, which I have already removed. So in a situation like this, on any iPhone and on XR, is what you have to look at is um, two ICs, which is U3300, and so where is my chooser? So this one is U3300, and while I was looking, I have observed some sort of this the little bit of flux bulb here, which is not normal, and here as well. And the next thing, after checking this one, you have to check the charging IC, which is on iPhone X and XS, and other phones are like this sort. And I will read you the part number later. So let's check which one might be faulty. So what I'm gonna do here now is put a multimeter here, and okay, and the charging port, Why I'm doing this? Because I have to check U3400 and U3300 what I'm getting out of those. Oh, let's put this before so that it can hold the battery here and here. Let's turn it over like this. Oh, see, it came out again. Anyway, I will hold it. Or maybe I can put a tape here, but should be okay once it's in this position. Here you go. Okay. So now the next thing I have to do is, can I move it here, or maybe here, or here? Okay, so that you can see what I'm doing now. So what I'm gonna do now is I have to check first of all U3300 what I'm getting out of it. So these are always present line, as you know. So maybe you can see the multimeter. Okay, can I see? Okay, I can see as well. Okay, what I'm getting. Okay, what I'm getting here. See, that's right, 3.3. This is 3.3 line, and what I'm getting here is 3.5. What I'm getting here, because I was a bit concerned about these caps, as you can see, maybe the solder, maybe someone who was trying to fix before. This is right. So let's check what these lines are. And guys, I'm using the board layout and the diagram with using G, but now there is a cheaper version of JCID, and we will compare the both of these, like which one is better. JCID is very cheap. I don't know how long it's gonna be cheap, but that's $5 only for 3 months subscription. So let's have a look and we will compare both of these. And let's go here, and this is Zingji, if I'm spelling right. So this is what I'm talking about here. We got 3.5 volt here, which is on C3530, which is PP battery VCC. So we getting, so these are all in, but if they are all in one line, why, how come we are getting 3 point, but anyway, we will have a look. So, and this is also, and we getting 5 volt here also, and this is PMID line. Let's check what we are getting here. Okay, so yeah, we're getting 5 volt here. Maybe I can show you here. You can see 5 volt here. My only concern is why we are getting, let's go here, why we getting, if they are in the same line PPVVT, and why we getting 5 here. So this is 3.9, this is 3.4, this is 3.5, 3.4. So I was looking the board layout I was using G. So let's try JCID. See what JCID is to use. Okay, so this is JCID. The only thing which I can see here, instead of going into the schematic diagram, you can have on side by side here. So this is where we are. This is what we're talking about here. So see, the good thing about JCID is if you click here, see, and at the same time, the part which you are clicking on board view is you see here as well, which is pretty convenient. Okay, so see, I have clicked this, which is C3350, and this is power line. So the next thing we will be looking at is now U3300, which we commonly um, name is charging IC, U2 IC. Let's look at the U2 IC, what we are getting out of there. So I will just move it. So this is U2 charging IC on iPhone XS and XR, and X is the same, which is this one here. Okay, let's try. Let's first check here. Sorry, desktop. Yeah. Okay, let's find out randomly. This is 1.8 volt line. Okay, so at the same time, let's use this. Which one I was clicking? So maybe this one here, 1.8 line. Is it 1.8 line? Okay, let's I can flip it over so that we can have the same layout. Yep. Where is it now? Here. Yep. Am I on the same here? Yep. Okay, so on the top. Anyway, so the convenient thing is like which one I'm checking here again. So this is the first one here, which is this one is C3419. Is it C3419 where I can read the part number? C3419. Oh yeah, here. No, this is this. Maybe this is the one. C3419. Yeah, that's it. So as we know, and it's good, you can zoom in and zoom out quite easily. See this, we can read. This is 1.8 volt line.
150 was just at the front, I think, if I read that correctly.
Okay, so let's check here if we are getting. This is the C3419 we're talking about. If we are getting 1.8 here.
Yeah, that's sweet, yeah.
Are we getting something? Yeah, we're getting 1.7, which is little bit.
No, that's sweet, that sounds good.
Should I put here?
Yes,
Can you see
I
here?
think I'll get it fixed. I think there's a problem with the camera, but I'll get it
Oh,
fixed.
come on, man. So that was 1.7. I should get on screen
Sweet, that'd be good.
multimeter now. So anyway, so this one is we are getting. Let's check. So this one is PPP VBus.
Yeah, 131. So 170 front and 90 back. Hi, bro.
What I'm doing, so I will put you here on the desktop menu. So what I'm doing now, I'm checking randomly if I can find a power line here. So this is 5 volt line. So which is C3416. C3416. So let's come down here again and C3416. Which one was it? I'm just mixing up. So this is too big there on the downsize. Downsize too big there. Yep. And I think this is the one, if I'm not wrong. And this is should be 5 volt. And let's check here. So we are not getting 5 volt here. We are getting only 0.6 volt here. So by the looks of it, it looks like it's a U2 charging IC which is not working. So what we will do, we will go ahead and take it out and solder a new one on and then see how it goes. So we will be replacing U3300 on this XR because this is what I think is most probably the problem is. So before I do this, we will put some heat resist tape a bit of here and a little bit of here, and this is the part of the antenna which is a sort of plastic on the top, which I don't want get melted, so I will just put a little bit here and I will mark the orientation which is here. And now the next thing I have to do is to get the right size, which is looks like this one. Set temperature, right temperature for this IC so that we can take it. Oh, come on. Anyway, I'm almost done from here. Okay, I will just put the little bit light orientation so that you can see clearly. This looks like okay to me. And bit of lux. Okay. So there is no tight place here, and it looks like this U3300 is not underfilled. So should be easy repair. Just take it out, clean, and put another one. That's it. And hopefully that should fix the problem. Nice and easy. And the next thing is to give it a clean. Okay. So I'm just cleaning it, soft cleaning with solder braid. Where it's gone? Here. Okay. Okay, all done. I hope you can see. Why not I show you here? Here. Okay, looks okay. Can you see? Yep, you can. How about if I move it around, maybe much more clear for you? Yeah, that looks okay to me. So the next thing I will be doing is a little bit of nicely isopropyl alcohol so that we can make sure there is no oxidation. Okay. Okay, that all looks good to me. Now we will get um, U3300, which is mm, okay, so uh, okay, so let's have a look. It's all good, all good. Okay, right orientation, but before that, let's put a little bit of flux here, and yeah, that's enough. And put it here. So, and now we have to hold it as close to the right orientation as much as we can. My hands got a bit of shake today. Should be okay. Okay, let's bump it. Let it dry and leave it. So looks it's all good. And just give it a clean, and after that we will test it, and hopefully it should sort the problem. Okay, so it looks clean now. Okay, so let's put it in, get you a little bit wider so that we can check it now. Okay, here. It should be okay. So this is the power, charging, battery. Oh, come on, man. Okay. So where is the screen? Okay. I'm done. Battery is connected. Came out again. Little bit loose. Anyway. Okay. So it was restarting and all the usual symptoms for U2IC. So yep, I'm looking at ammeter and it's drawing the right ends now, close to maybe the battery was, you know, yeah. Yep, it turned on and charging. All right, all good. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching the video. So that was iPhone XR U3300 charging IC, which was replaced successfully. It's working all good now. Thank you.